Now today is a new week. Yeah, today's a new week and today is Sunday. I have not gotten one customer today, which is fine. And it's not even that late. It's just like 8:49, and it is expected for a Sunday like this. It is cold outside, but you know the golfers, they will still come up because I'm dedicated to their game. I just want to check in and say welcome to a new vlog, and yeah, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and share with your friends and family. This week I only have one day off, so it's going to be very hectic on me to do everything that I need to do. Today I am going to stop work at 3, same with tomorrow. So I'm going to see if I can do as much as I can in the evening. I wanted to cook today, but I saw that my roommate took out meat, like she's going to cook, plus the kitchen dirty, so the bathroom dirty, like I don't know. Anyway, welcome to a new vlog. Let's not start the vlog like that. Welcome to a new vlog. Guys, this is how early I have to get up to go to work. It's so cold. But today is the last day for the week. Tomorrow I'm gonna go DMV because I need some information, because I need to get state and my license. So I'm gonna go there tomorrow. So I'm basically not have no day for myself. So guys, please let's see me, alright? Let's see with me. Yeah, so I'm gonna start checking because I am. When I was so young, I was so fascinated by doing that, you see, because I used to say, yes, I'm smoking. And now I'm big, I'm still fascinated by it. Nah, Jesus. I just the other day, I actually hot, and a woman got say poop froze and everything. Well, it's getting cold, but alright, still I'm okay because I like it when it's cold. I'd rather it being cold than it's being hot. And just so I feel like today no say time I change. But I'm gonna go to the clubhouse because I want to get some document print. I don't know if I can print there, but I did see like a computer section because I need to go somewhere with some documents. I have good news and I have bad news, but as I say, too much people are watching vlog. Can't wait, honestly. Do you want to stay here now? And then no, I just feel like, just honestly can't wait to leave here. I honestly can't wait to leave. No sir, I need to start go back at gym. I'm tired already. No man, tired, unfit, not fit at all. But yeah, so I'm a day off, my own day off, and no man, this is safe. Me young, you know? No man. Anyway, we reach and I'm gonna go in and see if I can get the documents print. Long time I don't come over here still. I tell you time and time again, the only reason why I'm even like this place is because of this clubhouse. Everything is here. Everything is here. Like no cap. The people them have pay. Them I get where them I pay for. I'm not cap. We can come down here and do business. Like them literally cater for those who pay. I shall send it to my email and print it. That me I gonna do. So I'm gonna do that right now. And yeah.
You got me exclusive. I'm so high up and lucid. You take me to a safe place. We steady on the same pace, yeah. I'm crazy, you like that. Don't back down, no you drop back. Keep it spicy, that's a fact. We on the right track, yeah. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line like a champion. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line, we some champions. We know how to make it rain in the bedroom. We don't need a club, got our own groove. Coming at the same time.
I have secured the goods and out of here. Yeah, accomplished. So tomorrow I'll be on the road and I'll take you with me. It's such a beautiful day today. Like, look, the sun is out. It's not too hot. Like, it's so cool. It is a beautiful day, honestly. You know, so I need to document stuff because I have so much stuff that I want to do, and because I don't write it down, it passed me, because I should have done this long time ago and I just do it, and it's not even like say hard in a hard. I want to start journal stuff and make daily plans or weekly plans or monthly plans, because if you get tired of my game, can't behave so. Can I behave so? No, can I behave so? When I say you need to wake up, yes man. But so I go look on the sun from his body, look on the background, nice. Even if you feel a feeling here, it's like you feel sad, but it's like your mind are forcing not to be sad. Like something happen and you know your natural instinct is to feel sad. But because you're on a positive mood from the other day, it's like a battle between your mind, the right side of your mind and the left side of your mind. But I don't know if you understand. It sounds weird, but it's like something happened and I feel sad. I want to feel depressed. I want to feel sad. I want to feel like emotional. I want to cry. But it's like me still have this positive side of me where me I say, you know, everything happened for a reason. Not making anything break my mood. You know, not going into any depression. That's how I feel right now. I have mixed emotion. But I believe everything happened for a reason, and whatever happened next is what God wants to happen. Because what I realize with my life, anything that I do doesn't really come out as planned. But it's once I leave it up to God and say, yo, God take over, God work, and it end up being the best thing. So right now, I leave it up to God. And you'll soon hear the full story. You know you always do. So that's how I'm feeling now. Anyway, tomorrow is my only day off and I have an appointment. Luckily, my appointment fall on today because it did fall on Wednesday. I don't know how that would go because I'm scheduled me for work Wednesday. I went and I print the documents as you saw, and I put all my documents together, and then tomorrow I'll be in and out. My appointment is 10 o'clock, so I'll leave out like 9 something. I don't know where I'm going, but you know Uber know everywhere. Yeah. So that's that. Tomorrow I am now washing, and Jo didn't come today. She said she never feel good, so I'm gonna need to check up on her and see if she's alright. Yeah, but today was a slow day, and I'm glad that I got the chance to come home early. Yeah. Yes, so it hurt me. I don't know what is affecting me. I thought it was cheese, but I haven't eaten cheese in a long while. So I wonder if a white rice or is a snack. Because after I eat the white rice and the snack, that's when I start feeling it. Or if it's peas, I don't know. But I don't think peas affect me. Good morning, guys. So today I want to go by DMV. Like really and truly, I really am going there to get information. But if I can do anything else, I get ID and so forth, because I really want a state ID or a driver's license, preferably a driver's license. I'm going to bring everything that I need to bring, just in case. This is the outfit. Let me show you. I'll show a better picture, but it's kind of cold outside, so I decided to go with this turtleneck that I got on Shein, jean jacket that I got from Shein, jeans. I don't remember where I get it, but you know the shoes is from Nike, and just gonna go to see what I can do. The appointment is 10 o'clock. I already bought the Uber. Yeah, and I have everything in my little trusty knapsack bag, and I feel like it's gonna be a good day. I already got good news yesterday, but I'm not ready to share it with you yet. But you know, so I'm not gonna say it. Yeah, I got bad news and good news. And it's the reason why I was saying yesterday I have mixed emotions. And when I said that I had mixed emotion, the good news came after. So stay tuned for that. Just need to finalize everything before I can say everything that happened. You know, I'm always keeping in a loop. So just stay tuned. Yeah, and just know that it's gonna be a good look. Yeah. So I haven't ate breakfast. Where DMV is, a lot of stories there, so I might just go and have something, you know, go and do something. And yeah, I'm bringing you guys with me, so come on along. Guys, you have to be careful where you ask, I know. You literally have to be careful where you ask. Everything still makes sense too, you know, but I just can't say anything yet. You know, you don't want to let out anything. Yeah. Just know, say everything that I talked about, that's what's manifesting right now in my life. Everything still makes sense to me. So just hold on and wait for the story. Just want to finalize everything, okay? I'm going to DMV right now because I want to get some information, and I think this is my ride. I'm not sure, but maybe not. Yeah, I'm going to DMV right now, and I just want to get some information as it relates to getting my license, my state license and so forth. But I brought everything just in case I can do it. If I do a test today, boy, I don't know how I feel about that, because there's so much things to learn about the American laws. So, and I don't know what to expect. I don't want to fail, right? Because I'm not a failure, which I'm not going to fail anyway. But I'm just saying, like, if I do the test, it's going to be a test that I'm not prepared for. But because the thing is, I wanted information, and the internet never did give me enough information. A call, it didn't make any sense, so they said I had to book an appointment to come and meet with them. So I did that, and they also told me what I need to bring. So let's see. Yeah, so today is the only day off that I have, and I'm using it to go to DMV. Jodie is sick today. She literally snapped me, and she was crying. Oh my, hope she get real soon. I think it's because she do room service in the morning, and then some days it's raining and she has to go outside in the rain. So I guess that's why she's sick. And then she live alone. That's the worst thing. I don't even know where she live, because if she didn't know where she live, we'll bring some soup, go give her or something. But hope she get well soon and come back. I didn't hear at the end. You're not even going to be at work, so I don't even know why I'm pushing to be at work. So what you gonna do, Jody? What you gonna do when I leave? Are you gonna leave the work? She said the work is not going to be fun anymore. So my ride is here, and I'll pick up back with you.
I don't care about the scene, I don't care about the location. All that matters not to me, that you wherever I go, baby. I just need you by my side. Yeah, that's until the day I die. Ever since you found me, we the only thing I see. Forever and a day, it's you and me, and they can replicate this unity. No pressure, I can see them watching and they try to do better, but you one in a million, you ain't average. Girl, I promise I'ma have you living lavish. Take a trip, girl, we're about to vanish. 'Cause I'll go anywhere, anywhere, just as long as you with me. 'Cause girl, I know that you get me, so I'll go anywhere. So I'll go anywhere. care about the way they're looking at us, cause I know they wish they had it.
Guys, we reach, and the good thing is that one Chick-fil-A the nearby. All greens too. Anyway, later. I friggin' love America. Like, without to the lie, like everything is so easy. I literally went to DMV and I didn't plan to I never planned to do the test or anything like that, but I brought everything with me, and the only issue I had was that I didn't have I didn't bring the like 2 address what would I call it, confirmation. I only brought one, but the thing is I went on my phone and I found my phone bill that was registered in the address, and I forwarded it to the email and I got through, and I did the test. I did the examination test and I got 10 out of 10, and then the second one I got 24 out of 30, and I never studied, never prepared or anything. It's just, you know, I got the book the same day and I said I just want to refresh my brain because I never planned for this, and I did the test and I passed it, and now all I need is to just come and do the driving test. And I could have done the driving test today, but because I never know that I need to have a vehicle, so I'm gonna make Jody make me use her car and do that. And Jody already agree and come back on next time. Like, I got here 10 o'clock and it's after 11. I did everything. I could have finished like in 30 minutes, but because I said I wanted to just look over, I took 10 minutes and just look over into the book. And when I did the test, I went over back just to ensure that I'm satisfied with my answers, and I passed it. The guy before me failed, and I just like, why Jamaica can't say like this? Why Jamaica can't say like this? Like, me literally not go through no. Me did the application online, as in the appointment online and everything, and then when I come in and did the application, they took all my documents, and as I said, I only didn't have one, and I was managed to. And even when I didn't have that one, she said that okay, I'm going to get I can get the license that I cannot fly with. I was like, okay, fine, but I just did some dig deep in, and I was like, you know what, I want the original one, I want the one with the star, so I can use it to fly, you know, as in, yeah. And I went and I found my bill, and I did the test and I passed it. Yeah, so I'm gonna come back maybe one day, maybe Saturday, because I think I'm off Saturday. I'm gonna come back Saturday and do the test. And then now I'm going to Starbucks because I want to try that pumpkin spice thing. Then after that I will go over Chick-fil-A. Yeah, so I just feel well accomplished. Yeah. Go to Starbucks. Unfortunately I cannot go in. They're only doing drive-through. Oh, Jesus. The things that happen when you don't have a vehicle. Why?
Would you like any black or pinto beans?
The black one.
And what meat would you like today?
Yeah, both.
Both the chicken and the carne asada. You want half and half or double?
It's been so long I didn't see you on mine. You changed your mind, you looking different. I can't stop thinking about you since last night. Do you feel the same, feel the same, feel the same, feel the same?
Asada bowl, queso, and
yeah, I feel like we
I just ordered dinner. I know I have stew peas, but no more stew peas today. And this is just for dinner. I put the sour cream and everything else on the side because I don't want it to ruin nothing, because I'm not going to eat it right now. So when I warm up the thing later on, those will be intact. I want to see if I can go to Chick-fil-A because that's what I feel for in the morning. I've been like dying for Chick-fil-A fries. Not even the sandwich, but the fries. So that's what I'm going to have for breakfast. Yeah, and then tomorrow is back to work. But look at the view, look at the trees and everything. I just love America. I'm not gonna lie. Somebody need to help I'm married to me. Let me stay over here. But I got the test, so I passed my test. Oh my god, I feel so excited. Like I never planned anything. And the fact that we get 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. When we get Jamaica, kind of pay for my license. Buy my license. Can everybody have to buy them license because whether or not they're going to fail regardless. And it never so nerve-wracking because I know say I'll get the license because I pay my paper. But doing this now, I was so nervous, and it's the reason why I double check. And I pass it. I really wanted to try the Starbucks because I was talking about it yesterday, and them closed because they don't have enough staff. Bummer. Anyhow, I'm almost at Chick-fil-A.
I'm everything you pray for, my love. I've been waiting too long to find in the one. I will do everything you ask of my love.
Just another thing, you see the first test that I did, I wasn't allowed to fail any. And because I went over, when we go over, I change your answer because when I say that's alright. And when we get to answer, when we get to 10, the frightening and I said bombard and God look over. That's why if you look over your schoolwork them and your exam them because you never know. Thank God we look over because I wasn't supposed to fail anything in the first, and if I failed like one, I wouldn't pass the test. And then the lady said I'm supposed to get 7, and if I get under 7, I'm going to fail, and I passed with 24. I am so excited. That's why I see me I come back every minute. I'm super excited because I didn't think it's gonna be more tedious, even though I'm not do the road test yet because I don't have a car right now. But I can do it. If Jody never sick, we could have probably go for the car and do it and then just put it up here. But she's sick, you know. So Saturday or so, because they wanted to go to some mountain. So around then we do it. But yeah, walking to Chick-fil-A now. Everybody drive up here. They say it look weird for your walk. Say go.
To a paradise, got no drama, feels like we arrived. Picture perfect, it don't exist. But when I'm with you, don't have to question it. True devotion.
Hey, that's why you have to just do what you have to do. Because I was just basically, we could have do 10 times, we didn't have a car now. I could have done it when I had the car, it would be so much easier because I would have to go back. And then they make it so easy because I'm saying if you fail it now, you can do back the test tomorrow. And you have 3 times to pass the test. Like what? Never be Jamaica. But yeah, I'm so excited I passed it the first time. And then now I'm going to do the road test. And you see people who can't drive, I pass the test. So I know I'm gonna get it. So Saturday up for me. Well, it will be in the next vlog still. Yeah. Anyway, my meal is here. Thank you.
Night baby, we can sleep in. Wait till the morning, kiss you on the cheek, and baby, that's a reflex. Oh, I thought the love was just a lie. But wait to feel an unrealistic high. We get our fix, but never satisfied. Give you all of my love, and you give it right back. I could fly.
It's back home, just looking outside at the leaf that is falling. It's getting really cold. It's getting really cold, like honestly. Anyway, reach back home, so I'm gonna just get some stuff done because I'm going back to work tomorrow. Just do a little quick video for you. So V-La-Nessa about extension. So if you want an extension and your visa date expire over November the 15th, go and watch it on V-La-Nessa. Yeah, all the information that you need to know is over there. I'm just gonna unwind now and to get some stuff done. It is kind of cold, yeah, but I kind of like this little turkey neck and a jean jacket and thing. Yeah, the girl no dance. Girl go school for a reason. And I'm gonna put my Chick-fil-A in the fridge so that later on I can heat it up and have dinner. Yeah, So I'll catch you later on, even though I said it before, but I really catch you later on. Alright guys, so when I went to work today and I was like, you know what, I'm not so busy. Hold on, I need to turn away the volume. Yeah, so I was like, it's not so busy. Let me leave. But then before I did that, I was like, you know, let me ask Chris if I can borrow a car to just go to DMV, because I don't think Jody's car would be suitable because there's something wrong with her car. Anyway, she said Saturday is fine. But today I was like, there's nothing there to do really. Why am I there? It's a Wednesday, it's not going to be busy. I don't know why they scheduled me. So I asked her if I could just use it, and here I am using the car to go to DMV. So guys, stay tuned. I am so excited, and I need to run home and collect the stuff because I need to bring stuff. So I'm going to go on the main road now. So I'll pick up back with you after. If this makes sense, then fail me, right? Because we never come to a complete stop. But now we can try the pumpkin spice. That may go do. But you can imagine me get failed if we do the test and me there go drive out. It's funny bad, but I'll come back Saturday still. Coming back Saturday and the lady says she knows she make up. I just feel like it, then they just want to feel me out and just feel like that. But yeah, she said I stopped at the first sign, but I didn't stop at the second sign, and it's the reason why she failed me. But the good thing is that I get a chance to come back and do it, and then next time I do it, I'm gonna pass. So that's that. It's an experience, it's fine. I'm gonna fill up Chrissy's car with gas because, you know, she lent me it and ended up kind of the E. Yeah. So guys, I'm at Starbucks and I park the car and walk to the door, and I see the thing that's saying they have low spot staff, so we have to go through drive-through. Luckily me I drive, even though me feel it takes me a drive. So I just ordered the pumpkin spice, the cold one. I'm gonna see what the rave is all about. I don't really like coffee like that, but let's see if I'm gonna like this one. Yeah. Alright guys, so I got the pumpkin spice. Here it is. Yeah, I'm gonna try it out and see if it's all that and let you know. Like enough, me not even like coffee like that. But through me here, everybody I talk about it, me say let's try it. So I'm gonna try it. Pumpkin normally nice though. Like I like things with pumpkin, like drinks. Like yeah. So here you go. It tastes good, but it just tastes like regular coffee. I honestly don't taste the pumpkin, but it tastes good. Like this is something that I really can't come by. It tastes good. I don't really taste the pumpkin, but it tastes good. What pumpkin tastes like? I give this like a 8 out of 10. It tastes good, and being that I'm not like a coffee drinker, yeah, it tastes really good. So I'm just gonna go to the car wash right now, wash the car. You know, I mean, I do so much, you know, but she do me a favor, and then me gonna need it Saturday again, so might as well. Alright guys, so it's the first time I'm actually in one of these drive-through. You know, long walk up in one of them right now, so. And I was going to do it with the car that I had before, but we can let me do it with this one, yeah. So first experience, and I'm happy, even though I feel it is, but me know me I get this still, because I go back Saturday, and that is just what, 3 days, so I'm good.
No, I'ma put it down like that.
So onto the hand, we always just go down rub it. No, because there's something that spray on it. I guess it's a the cheap one. No, I just soap and spray on it, and then I guess I go wash off. This is not the experience I want. It doesn't make no sense. This doesn't make no sense. Well, at least we get this done and, you know, enjoy being driven, because it literally just a push car in a neutral. So here's those things gonna rinse it off now. Like I think it had the thing that was a and wash it off like ladder it like the
Know that a change will make it better. You know that nothing lasts forever. You know that, yeah, change will make it better. There's no one to blame, you see. Maybe we're not meant to be. There are plenty more fish in the sea anyway. Every day's a different thing. So I'm not into wedding rings. It ain't personal, it's the way I think.
Yes, that's it. I didn't know it's going to dry. Anyway, that's my experience, my first experience. This is
A change will make it better. You know it. Yeah. Nothing lasts forever. You know it. That a change will make it better.
no, it's dry. Okay, so now they have man outside that buffer and shine the car and rub it off. Good while it lasted. Now I'm back to walk foot. No sir. Hey, this life is not for me. I need to get a car or up and get a car. So I'm going to do the test. She's going to give me my car because I'm off Saturday. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go for it early because the place closed 12 o'clock, so I have to go early. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pass it this time. So that's what I'm going to do. But yeah, just waiting on the Uber and I'm going to make a few calls. And I think this vlog a little bit too long now, so I might just close it out today depending on how the edit go, because I already start editing. Yeah, because I had to, because I only had one day off and now I'm going home early, so I'm going to shower and then do the editing. Yeah, so I'll catch you when I reach home. I wish I did buy something to eat, like maybe Chick-fil-A, because I still like crave them fries even though I had some yesterday. But I'll go eat my stewpies because we're not wasting any money around here. Yeah, today is a nice day. It's cool and the sun is out on your skin. Like, what more can we ask for? You know, it's a beautiful day. Anyway, I'm going to work today. I told Jody that I'm leaving, so she think that yesterday was my last day at work, so she's going to be surprised when she see me, but I'm going to be there first. I told her that I'm leaving on Monday, going to my other place because she was sick for 3 days, so I let her think that when she come back I won't be there. It's here. She's going to the bathroom. That I left. She not hearing. This is the coffee.
Huh? I'm sick. Yeah. doing? She lied to me. She lied to me. Also, guys, I'm sick. I kind of sound a little more sexier right now, but I'm sick. Oh my god! That's kind of upset. Is this chicken tenders?
Yeah. Not yet. Not leaving.
So you're not leaving? So that whole thing was a lie?
Yep.
Why would you say that?
Because I can. You don't have nothing to do? This is her going above and beyond again. This is not your work.
One, I was told to do this.
Who said
But
this?
yeah, keep that in the script.
Who told you to do it?
What's her face name?
Who, Christy?
Brittany.
For real? Oh. Yeah. This is what they let us do because we're peasants. And she's sick. And she's outside in the cold.
I'm more than sick. I'm dying.
Anyway, say later to the vlog. See you next week vlog. Oh, Jesus.
Oh my god.
I caught the camera. I would fling that dog. I would be like, get out of here.
Anyways.
See you next week, guys.
Love y'all. Look how dead I look.